The center yourself on screen error is a common issue that prevents DoorDash from accurately displaying your location on the map. This problem has become increasingly prevalent for Dashers, especially since 2024. When this error occurs, Dashers cannot see their precise location on the delivery map, making it difficult to navigate efficiently and complete deliveries on time. This error stems from several technical causes. The most common include weak GPS signals, particularly in urban areas with tall buildings, inconsistent location permissions, and corrupted app cache data. Modern smartphones require explicit permission for location access. Recent updates to iOS and Android have introduced stricter location permission protocols that can interfere with DoorDash's ability to track your location accurately. Other technical causes include background app refresh problems, corrupted app cache, and unstable network connectivity. Each of these can prevent the app from maintaining accurate location tracking. To function correctly, DoorDash requires location accuracy within 10 to 15 meters, with location updates occurring every 10 to 30 seconds during active deliveries. Understanding these requirements helps explain why the app is sensitive to location issues. When location services work properly, DoorDash can detect location changes and update your dashing area accordingly. Understanding these technical factors is the first step in effectively troubleshooting location-related problems. When facing the center yourself on screen error, there are 3 levels of troubleshooting solutions, each with increasing effectiveness rates. Start with immediate fixes that work 60 to 70% of the time. Force close and restart the DoorDash app, toggle airplane mode to reset network connections, and move to an open area for better GPS signal. If immediate fixes don't work, try intermediate solutions with higher success rates of 75 to 85%. Reset location permissions by going to your device settings. On iOS, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then DoorDash. On Android, go to Apps, then DoorDash, then Permissions, then Location. Also, clear the app cache and data, then restart your device completely to refresh all system connections. For persistent issues, advanced solutions provide the highest success rates of 90 to 95%. Advanced solutions include completely reinstalling the DoorDash app, resetting all network settings, and updating your device's operating system to the latest version. To prevent future location issues, follow these maintenance practices. Keep your DoorDash app updated, review location permissions regularly, avoid using battery optimization features for DoorDash, and maintain stable internet connectivity. Remember that 12 to 15% of active Dashers experience location-related issues monthly, with an average resolution time of 8 to 12 minutes when following proper troubleshooting steps.